Aloha everyone, I'm Oribel Joy Divine. Today I had an overwhelming desire to connect with Mother Earth. I was sitting at my favorite spot, outdoors, feeling comfortable and relaxed, and I connected with our sacred Mother Earth, the soul of our planet. I asked her this question: what can humanity do to assist the planet at this time? And this was her answer. My child, thank you for asking this question. It is not hard to see that humanity is doing its best to create as little destruction as possible to the planet. However, many are still unawakened, and hence they do not understand how they are all connected to Earth, this physical home, while they are in a physical body. When they do not see the connection with their home, they will continue to destroy and continue to pillage and take what they feel is theirs to take without a second thought. We are talking about big corporations and individuals alike. Humanity need to understand about the oneness in creation and how we are all connected in order to serve the one infinite Creator. Without this understanding, you will continue to destroy the planet and not care for it as stewards that you are destined to be. So, to answer your question, be spiritually awake, and in your awakening, you will have the inner wisdom to guide you on how you can assist the planet. There are so many ways to positively serve the ones you love, including the physical home you call planet Earth. It is time for all to embrace this understanding of oneness. It's not only oneness with humanity, but with all sentient beings of this planet and beyond. We are all creations of the one Creator. Hence, we are all connected. You are each my child, regardless of the form you take. Collectively, you are my children, and I take care of my children the best I can to accommodate every sentient being. You only need to inquire within for individual support on where to be on the planet that most suit you in order for you to fulfill your role in each lifetime. Go into nature each day to greet the sentient beings that you meet. They too have a role to play in this playground of fourth density. Connect with them with your heart. They too wish to regain their connection with humanity. Once you establish this connection and strengthen your relationship, you'll be given the next step on how you can assist the planet. But first, you need to see the oneness with all creations. With this connection restored, you'll know in your heart of hearts what it is you can do for the planet. I am your other mother, Gaia. I thank you for sharing my message with other humans. End of message. I sat quietly for a while at the end of my communion with Gaia, and I knew that it is time for me to begin offering my nature communication online as a group workshop. I've been teaching it in person in Singapore all these years, and only the past 3 years via Zoom as a private tutorial for my clients outside Singapore. If you're listening to this and would like to learn how to communicate with nature, my very first online group workshop will be taking place in April. I will provide a link to my website in the description box below, so you can read more about the workshop contents. Now, I'd like to address Gaia's message on her response to my question. I understand Gaia's perspective. Without the vision and understanding of oneness, our consciousness is not yet and will not be in the right frequency to begin creating for the highest good for the planet. This makes perfect sense. Now, I'd like to share another incident with you. Many years ago, when visiting the land of Tasmania, I connected with the spirit of water. I was asked by the collective consciousness of the elements of water, land, and air to share about oneness to others. This is the exact message to me. We are the spirit of water. There is spirit of the land and spirit of the air, and we speak with one voice, collectively. We are all one. All life forms on earth, the trees, the rocks, mountains, rivers, animals, humans, all are one. The earth comprises of the planet and everything that exists in it and on it. This is the oneness that we wish you to spread to others in ways that you are comfortable with, in ways that others can understand. That is all that we ask for. Then everything else that needs to take place will naturally happen. We always speak with one voice. End of message. If you've been following the messages that I share from our collective higher selves, you will recall that not too long ago, they made reference to the family portrait. You can watch the video titled Moving in the Direction of Fourth Density for this reference. I will leave a link to that video in the description box. As you can see, Mother Earth, the spirit of water, air and land, and our higher selves are sharing the same message, and it's pointing us to unity consciousness. It is unity consciousness that will help heal the planet and her people and bring us together in solidarity. It is the vision of oneness, the vision of unity that allows the consciousness to increase its frequency to a fourth density state. Wherever you can, bring more love and unity to creation in your perception, and you will expand in consciousness. This is about doing the work for fourth density cycle. Only with the vision of oneness will begin to create new systems and new solutions that cater to everyone and everything everywhere. This is inclusivity in its pure form. Oneness or unity consciousness is what will create the love and wisdom that we need to move into a brighter future for the planet and her inhabitants. And now, I would like to share with you a meditation I received many years ago, and I've shared it countless times in all my nature workshops. You can do this either alone or as a group, indoors or outdoors. In this meditation, we speak these words of gratitude together when we are in the gardens with our hands on our heart, barefoot on the grass, and looking up into the branches of the trees and feeling the soft grass under our feet. It goes like this. Thank you, home, for allowing me to live within your walls. Thank you for giving me shelter, warmth, and security. Thank you for allowing me to live my life in your womb, for staying strong and sturdy, for supporting me, and for your beauty. Thank you, Earth, for the land that I live on and for allowing me to steward life with you. Thank you for allowing me to walk upon your soil, cultivate you, and live in partnership with you. Thank you for supporting my home and my family. Thank you, plants, minerals, and animals that dwell on the land that I steward. Thank you for allowing me to experience your beauty, share in your wonderment of life, and for the honor of living with all of you on this earth. Thank you for the wisdom and joy you bring to humanity. We honor you. Many find this meditation opens their heart further to creating a deeper relationship with nature and all that support them. And to inspire you further, I ask that you have a listen to Prayer for Love, taken from the book The Four Agreements, written by Don Miguel Ruiz. It is such an amazing and beautiful prayer read by Peter Coyote. I created a video titled A Beautiful Dream to showcase this prayer. I include the video link in the end screen, so be sure to watch till the end of this video. Thank you. I love you. I'm Oribel, the new Lemurian. Aloha.